me, it's just a waste of tires. As soon as they know you got a 427, nobody wants to fuck with you. Bumping up at $3,000 and downshift to third.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we need to get that Mustang back in.
That's the sweetest motor I ever had, man.
What size motor was it again?
390
390.
with custom heads, 406 heads. I had a custom valve job done on the heads. A buddy of mine's a machinist.
Uh-huh.
He put 3 different angles on the valves.
Uh-huh.
And did a custom grind on the seats. And once I had it all together, I had the whole thing balanced.
Uh-huh. How long of a process was that?
Well, they take everything that rotates, put it on a lathe and spin balance it.
Oh.
That's back when I was racing.
Oh, so everyone was
So I had a lot of connections.
right. I definitely want to hear that engine though.
It's like when we went to Escadarian,
Uh-huh.
cam grinder.
Yeah.
He had a shop in LA. And we're sitting in there talking about cam grinds and what we wanted to get for drag racing. And I was sitting on this block in his shop in a plastic bag. So I was asking him, we were just talking shit. So I told him, I was like, I'm interested in building a big block Ford.
Yeah.
He goes, what size? I just got rid of a 427. So I'm kind of looking for something smaller. Nobody, as soon as they know you got a 427, nobody wants to fuck with you. He goes, well, what do you think about that one? I go, what one? He goes, what are you sitting on? The 390. Like, I like it. What kind of money are you talking about? I started with the block, bought the pistons and the connector rods, had the crank, and then got them all spun balanced.
How long did that take?
It takes a while. They got to grind metal off of them to make it so that they don't throw out anyway around a circle.
Okay.
So they make sure that everything's balanced in a perfect circle, like they do a wheel when you put tires on it.
Yeah. I get you.
So you don't lose any power with centrifugal force. There's no snapping. Everything just goes in the perfect circle.
You ever done a little drift before?
Huh?
Sliding, did a little drift?
No.
You ready for one? You think you can handle one?
No.
Do it for me. Fuck you!
Seems like to me it's just a waste of tires.
Waste of tires? That ain't a waste of tires, is it? I'll build this bad boy for me. Ain't a waste of tires?
I saw a movie on that. This guy was in Asia. He had a Mustang. They were teaching him how to drift. And he ended up getting in a race with this Asian guy who was trying to kill him. Because he took his girlfriend from him.
You've been a loser, huh? That movie is what taught me about this car. I I didn't even know that this card existed until I watched that movie as a kid.
Oh,
I told myself one day